From the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert Stacia Knight.
With the weather so nice today, areas busy were definitely parks across town, and some folks even getting a walk or a jog in outside today rather than at the gym, and it was just beautiful. This is Gathering Place. The boathouse lit up tonight, and Gathering Place was packed earlier today. It's 46 right now tonight. We have a south wind at 3 miles per hour. Winds will stay light, skies will stay mostly fair, and temperatures will be dropping into the upper 30s for Tulsa, colder in the outlying areas for morning lows tomorrow. Right now you're still in the 50s around Coffeyville. You're at 49 in Muskogee and 46 in McAllister. Meanwhile, Bristow, you've come back up to 40 degrees. So temperatures tonight, like I mentioned, will drop into the 30s for most of us from I-40 north and then low 40s to the south. It is warmer than normal to start the day, and tomorrow afternoon expect another warmer than normal afternoon despite increasing clouds. You'll notice the clouds really starting to fill in by early afternoon, and there may be a little drizzle trying to show up, especially southwest of Tulsa by about 4 or 5 o'clock. The atmosphere is going to need a little more time to saturate fully before we see just widespread rain fill in. The storm system will be approaching later Tuesday night. So we'll start to see additional showers, more widespread by midnight, but then the heavier rains, those are coming in early Wednesday morning from about 4 a.m. through the 7 o'clock hour. It'll be very scattered, and we're seeing now in a new trend here as we get new model data every couple of hours that maybe, hopefully, that dry slot that we talked about at 5 and 6 today, we're hoping that dry slot gets pushed a little farther to our east and south because we need the rain. So we're hoping that in southeast Oklahoma you can also pick up on some shower activity, and it looks like you could, but the heavier amounts, the higher amounts of rain, that still looks best from Tulsa north. Here's the noon hour on Wednesday, and it's starting to wind down for us. A lot of it is moving off into Arkansas and Missouri. There's still some lingering showers east of Highway 69, and then the sunshine is coming out west of Highway 75 by lunchtime. Highs on Wednesday will be in the 60s. We'll have a southwest wind, and we're getting ready for a cool front to come through. You kind of see those wind arrows at the far corner of your screen. That's behind the front, and so for Thursday, we'll have northwest winds, and we'll also have temperatures that are back down closer to seasonable. In terms of severe weather with this system, the warm sector, the sector that's more likely to see all the ingredients come together for severe storms, that is looking like it's going to be in southern Arkansas, Louisiana, eastern Texas, not so much here at home. We may get some rumbles of thunder to come through early Wednesday morning, but that should be about it at this point. Thursday, like I mentioned, it's cooler, but it's back to what is typical for January, 40s and 50s with that northwest wind. And our next storm system after Wednesday is going to be here this weekend, Saturday into Sunday. Slight chance of some showers. It could start a little earlier on Saturday, maybe by lunchtime, but the models are just not in good agreement right now on exactly when that start time will be for the weekend. We're going to now focus back to Wednesday, though. Wednesday's storm system brings the best chance of rain at this point. Rainfall amounts would add up to anywhere from a trace to maybe half an inch, which doesn't seem like a lot, but we still need the rain. So we're thankful to get it. And just a quick look at how January's been so far. 15 days have been above normal. One day has been below normal. Now that pattern looks like it's going to be changing after really the middle of this week. Temperatures dip back down to what's seasonable, and the next week even some cooler than normal days. Storm systems are still staying active, coming one right after the other, so that's good.